Hey YouTube, so today we have another unboxing video, and this one is from plantogram.com, and they give you planting instructions, a little booklet on the box. That's cute. I guess they started doing that because I didn't get that with my last order. And nice packaging. So it's already outside of the box, so let's just go straight to what it is. It is raining here right now in Florida on this Friday morning, so we got it out getting some rainwater. And this is a blue Jaboticaba. So I wanted to get this months ago, but they were sold out, so I had to wait. And now I finally got one. So this will be added to my collection. And we have the dark red Jaboticaba already. I was interested in the white, but I'm just gonna stick with the dark red and the blue. So you guys already know these trees take long to grow. They take like 7 to 10 years before you get fruit. This one in particular is supposed to taste like a sweet grape. That's what the description said online on plantogram.com, and I'm hoping that is the case. So I came in my backyard just to do a leaf comparison of the Jaboticabas. On the left here is the red Jaboticaba, dark red, and the right side is the one that I just got yesterday, actually, is the blue Jaboticaba. So as you can see, well, quick update on this dark red. You can see it got super huge since I got it. A lot of new growth quickly, real quick. So that's surprising right there, being that it produces fruit within 7 to 10 years. It grows, from what I'm seeing, it grows really fast. Since I got it, it been just pushing out leaves like quickly. So it's getting big. So again, the leaves on these are like darker, wider, and shorter than this new blue Jaboticaba. You can see the leaves on this one is longer, lighter, and more skinnier. So long and skinny and lighter, short, wide, and darker. So I just wanted to take note of that in this video. Again, they have, Plantogram have different varieties. You can get the dark red, which is this one. You can get the blue, which is this one. And you can get a white, and there's another one called yellow. So I heard the yellow one tastes like apricots. Not sure about the white though, but I did hear it's good from another video, but they didn't really give a specific description. These are good trees to make collectibles. Right now the yellow and the white is sold out on their website, so I was lucky to get this blue because it was only 3 left. So well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and you guys have a good weekend.